Guys, listen to this. What's wrong? I can see Adopt Me Island and I just teleported out of the big bubble. My sister and I teleported her and I'm on my way to Adopt Me Island.
Yeah, so this is like a TikTok trick that we saw. So basically you use your grappling hook and you go into the nursery, you go into the pet bit, and you basically just keep tapping on the glass and you glitch out of the nursery and you're outside and you can just literally just fly off. Or if you have a fly pet, you can just fly off.
And now I'm in the middle of nowhere.
And you're in the middle of nowhere, but you can fly to this Adopt Me Island and it's supposed to be a private server.
So let's try
It's not getting any closer, is it?
No.
It's so far away. This might not even work.
Tell me if you guys have done this before, because
This is a complete waste of time. Seriously.
yeah, it takes like 4 minutes. It was 7. I think it was 7 minutes. It took a really famous YouTuber to do. So I mean, crazy. It's getting a bit closer. I'm not sure though.
Just keep flying, it's so boring.
This looks so cool. I can't wait till I'm at Adopt Me Island.
We can talk about other things.
I can see the hot air balloon perfectly.
Like, what else are you got any pets? Nice.
Don't.
If you click on it, you're just gonna fall. Like, I fell a minute ago, and I was dead.
Oh my god, I can see that hot air balloon so quickly. I wonder if this is going to be a private server. If it is, I mean,
I'm
mind
really
blown.
know if it is. You have to, like, kind of really, really want a private server if you're actually...
Yeah, because this is
going to take forever. If you really, really want a private server, I'm not sure what's so good about them, but I guess kind of like no lag, I guess.
Yeah, and you don't have to, like...
Well, it's actually getting close, actually. Because you can see the colour of the hot air balloon better.
Yeah, you can. You can really see that hot air. You can't see mountains or anything else.
Oh yeah, the hot spring update was cool.
I wonder if it still works.
I go on to the other side with my grappling hook.
It's legit.
Don't fall. Just don't lose patience, otherwise you'll just like...
Yeah.
You
If you lose patience, you're gonna kill yourself.
I just want to see what it's like. Like, I can't see anything.
I wonder if it's private or if it's just like a total new server.
Yeah, like,
This is
I wonder if
really
you can
fun.
fly to different servers. That would be weird. Like, it's a huge universe of servers and you can just fly. What if there's, like, dots? Like, if I get the cursor, maybe you can see. Like, up here. I don't understand. What are those? Are they part of the iron or not? I don't know. It's like another solar system, look, like 2 other planets.
We'll find
Oh,
out.
I see some, like, stepping stones on the island. Oh, that's the hot spring, is it? See bubbly
Or it
water.
could be the private. No, I mean the place where you find all the clothes, the pirate ship.
Pet close. Okay, we'll definitely close. I would aim a bit more
Down.
down, yeah, kind of. Oh wait, what? You're just flying. You don't even need to like. Just go.
Oh, guys.
I've just joined the game, and I'm not really sure whether I can teleport to you or not.
Don't
It
teleport to
doesn't
me.
work. You just
Okay, I won't teleport to you until you're there, because I might mess the whole thing up.
Oh no, it's the playground.
Wait, how about you just drop?
No.
Wait, no, that might go wrong. Because if you drop, you might like fall through the floor. Because sometimes if you're flying above somewhere and you drop from a high height, you just fall through the floor.
What is that? Is that like?
Oh my god, wait, guys, someone just said there's a Halloween update coming this week. I'm not surprised because I think, didn't they have shadows? The first time they had shadows was a Halloween update. I want to see what they do.
Oh
I see gifts. I don't see much else. What the hell? I'm kind of creeped out. This is really weird.
Did we go to the wrong place?
Look at the water. Oh my god, the floor is nothing. Wait, can you fly through the floor?
Yeah, I can fly through.
What the? Oh, no you can't. Or you can.
You can. Guys, I'm going. Oh my god, the floor is just like water. So guys, so this doesn't actually work. This is just absolutely that.
Oh, I just fell. Emily, you can fall on the floor.
You can, I know.
Oh, where's the playground?
Wait, teleport to me now, because I'm above something.
Oh, God.
Oopsie, sorry, sis.
Oh, I fell through the floor.
Everybody. Good, guys. This is crazy. Like, sorry. Let's go. This is Ace. Let's go on the swing. Oh dear, posters.
I need to get on my flyer.
Teleport to me. Teleport to me, then go on your fly red cat.
Do I need to do that first?
No, but I'm on somewhere safe. I'm on somewhere safe.
I might fall through the slide.
You won't fall through the slide.
But you won't go sliding. They're doing GPS.
Oh, hot spring happening. So I actually have to go up to. It says teleport to me. I'm somewhere safe. You can teleport to me.
I think it needs time to know when there's no floor.
You just knocked me off my pet.
You can actually go into the neighborhood.
No, I don't think so.
Wait, I'm going to try and get on the sky castle.
Oh yeah. So if you have to pay or something.
Try getting with the
Oh god. Guys, I think we should definitely try this. I'm going up to look.
Okay, I need to kind of
Look up.
estimate where the
There's a red dot in the air.
Oh, but we're magic. Don't put a magic door outside here.
Huh? Where?
That is really creepy.
What?
A magic door just appeared like.
Where?
There's just over here. Someone's just got a magic door.
I don't see any magic door. Oh guys, should we see what happens if I take out my magic door and place it?
No, because I just saw one of the magic doors. What are you doing?
It won't let me place my magic door.
Oh wait, in the top.
Oh my god, guys, this... Whose hot dogs are they?
Wait, what? They just gave me a hot dog. That is so weird.
That is so creepy.
I
Oh!
can't see anything now. I'm pretending like underneath everything.
No, look, come up.
They just handed me a hot dog after I bought one, and they weren't even there.
I know.
someone handed you one. It does actually.
Guys, this is creepy!
I could see the island.
So guys, this is like a private server, but I wouldn't recommend coming here because there is nothing you can do, and as you can see, I need lots of stuff. This video is sponsored by... Soon I'm gonna do a whole video sponsored by this one. For the what? The what? Oh yeah. Walk into it. Oh my god, guys, this is creepy. So I don't recommend coming here actually. This is really crazy, guys. I'm gonna see what this.
Wait, when you still going to the fossil, I'm just gonna go to a fossil isle and see if I go to the correct server or anything new. You can still hear the people.
Yeah. Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. I'm just gonna say, I am to what I thought of private server.
Well, no one in here. I don't actually.
Be a private server.
Whoa, okay, I definitely understand. How many times do you guys teleport to?
I'm just gonna go check what my sister. Let's finish the speech. I don't know what she is doing.
I'm gonna go to the neighborhood right now. Oh, wait, what?
I flew what I thought would be a private server, but is I don't want to say weird, a crazy.
Oh, okay. I'm not a private server.
A crazy
No, I went back to a real one.
island. I'm not sure I'm spelling things right. Don't blame me if I don't, please. I'm not the best swimmer. And plus, I'm a YouTuber. I know. I'm so you can what happened. Yeah, it all came out, but I'm not sure. Oh my god, it's like transparent except for the words. This is so fun. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to go, but you guys should definitely try this if you wanna be here, because it is really ace. So bye guys, that's it for me. Bye Buzzy Bees. Bye.